Okay, so he is just bending it, getting it ready for like the shape it's gonna be. So right there is where we're gonna put the rope. We were trying to find string, but we couldn't find any string. So we're gonna use some thin rope. He's cutting out the spot where we're gonna have that rope. He's doing the other side now. He's pretty good. Almost there. Oh, that's looking pretty good. Zooming in. Zooming in. Okay guys, so he's gonna be tying the rope to the part. Okay. So, it looks like a traditional bow. Well, for now at least. It's looking not too bad. Kind of. See? Oh wait, never mind. So guys, I'm not complete the crossbow, but as like traditional bow, here's with the compound bow arrow. This is actually my sister's, and this is her arrow for her little bow. And here's that arrow. Oh man, this thing it's literally has the power of a crossbow. Oh man. Guys, I have told you this. This ain't an arrow, guys. It's a marshmallow stick. But we have those metal ones, so I bought these as an arrow. So yeah. And this would be a good crossbow arrow. I want to see if it shoots into that target. Let's get back here. Get behind cover. This is a test on the yellow jacket target. Nope. Okay guys, so yeah, this is actually a marshmallow stick, and we saw this at ShopRite, and I'm like, we gotta get it. We gotta. So the time after that time we went to ShopRite, we got it, and it came with 4. So this one has no knock. It's more accurate though, but you can't have to do it different. Interesting. Now let's this thing. So how I do it, I hold it with these 2 fingers and go like this. With the other one, I hold it like this because it has the knock. But for now, for this one, yeah. Oh man. we're just gonna go. Oh, and it's pretty solid.